Time for superstar number 2 this evening. Tell us about the next surprise you have lined up for us, please, Gary.
Well, I have another duet now with another legendary artist. This young lady's not been on stage for over 25 years, okay? It's part of one of pop history's biggest bands ever. And I can't believe that I'm going to perform tonight with one of ABBA.
You hear that?
ABBA in the house!
ABBA. Well, Gary, go and get yourself ready.
Thank you.
We
Enjoy.
are more than thrilled and excited about this. So please, everybody, get ready to give the biggest welcome ever, once again, to Gary Barlow and Agnetha!
Agnetha!
It's really you.
You still look the way you used to.
All this time, what have you done?
Won't you tell me what you've been through?
And maybe let's talk for a while.
Dance floor dust never quite settles. Busy feet remember still the way we moved so close in the darkness. Oh, the music, the magic, the thrill. I must have been so lost in the moment. I missed the chance to make you my own. Now I know.
I should have followed you home. Hey, should have followed you home. So familiar and so right. Say goodbye.
Some things stay with you your whole life.
For your whole life. Dance for dust never quite settles. Busy feet remember still the way we moved so close in the darkness. All the music, the magic, the thrill. I must have been so lost in the moment. I missed the chance to make you my own. Now I know, I should have followed you home. Snow falls, street lights paint your face. We smile and say, take care, I'll see you soon again.
Maybe if you want to, I'll see you soon again.
Here we go. Dance floor dust never quite settles. Busy feet remember still the way we moved so close in the darkness. All the music, the magic, the thrill. I must have been so lost in the moment. I missed the chance to make you my own. Now I know.
Now I know.
Now I know.
Now I know.
Now I know. I should
I'm so glad to be here tonight. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, everyone.